The world is at the verge of a big change. Get serious, don't take it as a game. Quietly adjust to the new reality. Things will never be all the same. Laggards will be the biggest losers. They will regret, as no one else to blame. Limit social contact and self-quarantine. Don't go out and put yourself to shame. As you are at home, work on yourself. Whatever you had lost, try to reclaim. Start planning as the future unfolds. Make your strategy with a new aim. Our future is at stake, don't be lame. Let us unite and put down the corona's flame. One day we will all look back and proclaim, it was not easy, but we overcame.